And I went to a place in America called Simi Valley.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Yeah. Simi Valley.
Come again?
I live in Simi Valley.
You live in Simi Valley. And the Lord God said, there is a huge blessing that is set before this woman that you're talking to.
Listen, now I'm about to do some crazy stuff. Hey, listen to me. For you to know this woman is not just a random woman, this is God's chosen for you. Sir, you are born December the 25th, she's born May 25th. That's true. Alright. Watch this. Watch this. The connection even goes beyond towards your mothers. That your mother is also born the 25th, the same day and month she's born. That's true. So your mother is Miriam, right?
Yes.
I saw you running, and they were like, "Yes, Mom, Mapala."
Yes, I am this Mapala.
You're a prophet, you know. And I'm asking why you put on you. Because that's the same uniform. Jesus.
You see, in the realm of the spirits, I saw this. Do you know Wagu?
No, this is my husband and he's also my son.
Okay.
Yes.
Wagu is your.
He's my
You
husband.
know Albert.
Albert is my husband. Yes, you're not talking about
They call you, yes. But actually, your name is Fina.
Yes, yes, man of God.